Hi, welcome to OpenLM's Flash tutorials. I am Sagi and I will show you the Roles and Permissions extension of OpenLM. The Roles and Permission extension allows you to set different resources to different users, meaning that certain administrators will be able to see different parts of the EasyAdmin and OpenLM interface. For example, you can set the admin of the servers in USA to only be able to view them. For French administrator, same thing. You can decide who gets to see what in the OpenLM system, both in the EasyAdmin interface and outside it. So in order to activate it, you open up your server configuration tool and go to Advanced. Click Require Login Credentials, and we input the credentials of the super user that we want. So now we just apply and restart. And when we refresh the browser, it will ask us for credentials. So we input the super user. And then we go to Start, Administration, and go to Roles. Right here you have a few roles, but I'm going to add a new one and call it Sagi role. Save it, and I can add different users or different groups right here. I will add myself, for example. I can add different groups as well if I want. Click here and click Add, and I'll add the engineers. Now you can set different resources for that role. So you open up the role here that was created, Sagi's role. You go to Resources, and here you have all the things that the user can see. So now you can see that it can't actually view anything inside the OpenLM interface. So we can click Add, and here you have a list of all the parts of OpenLM, both the EasyAdmin parts and outside it. For example, you can show alerts widgets, you can show all features or not, you can give permission to add a new user or not, to add a new role, to add a new resource, to reread the server. You can pretty much customize it so different users will be able to see different things. So let's say that this user will have only basic permission to open EasyAdmin, but will have nothing else but the logout in Start menu. So let's save that, and let's try to log in as the other user. So we'll save the role, click Start, log out. Now we're logged out, and I will log in using my credential. Let's log in, and we see that the EasyAdmin is opening up, but because we are using that restricted user, we can't see anything. We can simply log out, and that's it. But you can set different resources to different users. You don't have to set just one user. You can set many users, many different rules for different roles. You can add different groups inside that role. It's a very powerful tool to maximize your usage in EasyAdmin. So not everybody will be able to see everything, but just what they need.